Hi, Jess. This will be some midterm video feedback for you on the print ad. And you've got a good command of Illustrator and some of the editing functions in Photoshop as well. If you have any questions, in the next 4 weeks, don't hesitate to reach out. And I bid you strength. Now, Jess, when I open up your file in Illustrator, I'm getting these error messages. Not to worry, what this means is that images are linked rather than embedded. The difference is that an embedded image will create a freestanding Illustrator file. Linking them to high-res originals, as you have done, is correct in practice because, usually an 8x10 photo, for example, of sufficiently high resolution for print is going to be quite a large file and not, well, in the past at least, not easily sent to and fro. Anyway, I'm going to, but I think nowadays there's no reason not to embed your images. And just going to click through here. It's prompting me for these images, your Photoshop. And it will give us a screen approximation. Ooh, isn't that nice? Wow. But you notice how the screen approximation of your photos is pixelated. So let me zoom out. Wow, nice use of typography. Looks like you were aware of this. I think some of the student examples that I had given for successful use of what is it, Arial? Not so easily used. I like everything about it. I think you could pare away some of the ingredients, though. And I'm speaking in reference particularly to these bars. I like that you've bled. I don't think you need them. But, also consider that I don't want to distort this too much. And remember that, this is the screen approximation of your high-res images. It's not going to be perfect. But, something like that, and perhaps make the type white, I don't know, on top of it. To simplify it, and maybe save the bars. This looks a little crooked, so you can straighten that out by hitting the Shift key, and perhaps center that. I like that use. I like that you've letter spaced your caps too. Perhaps just a bit more space for word spacing. Then contact information, this can be very minimal. Take a look at professional ads, and also be careful about the edge of your field. Okay, I think it's awkward to have something centered over something that's flush left, rag right. So I would pick, well, maybe not in this case, but down here the alignments are a little ambiguous. Are they flush left? Are they centered? And take a look at contemporary ways of listing contact information, such as bar and QR codes. I'm not sure, there's not much for a range for not too much ingredients. Oh, I totally forgot about the logo. Yeah, that's going to have to be apparent somewhere. Maybe the stacking order could be changed. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that should. Well, anyway, you get the idea. But maybe this is such a compelling image, beautiful image too. And I don't know if you have the resolution to support this, but how nice it would be if that was, say the focus of your ad, and you kept it, really clean and minimal. Okay, some suggestions, but really nice work so far. I like your attention to typography.